What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to follow up from the LED interior upgrade I did on the Supra, and I'm actually going to pull the dash out, the instrument cluster, sorry, and we're going to do a at-home LED upgrade on that. Now there are two types of LED upgrades I've seen on these. One which we're doing today, which is just going to be a few T10s and a T5 LED upgrade. So it won't be the green ones, it'll be just bright white ones. Now I've already done it in mine, but I'm going to do an upgrade from them, just better ones. The other option is you can get your whole cluster relit. You can send it off and get all these LEDs put in, and it looks amazing, don't get me wrong, but it is quite expensive. This job cost you about 10 bucks. That job, I think it's up in the 500-600s. It does look incredible, but I'm happy with this. So yeah, I'm gonna upgrade these ones to a little bit better and see how we go. So let's jump in. Okay guys, so to pull out your instrument cluster to get a LED upgrade going, you're gonna have to pull your dash panels off first. So if you wanna see how to do that, just go to the video in the link and follow that, and then come back to this one, you'll be able to pull them out. Then from here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips head screws, so I'll quickly get them out. And then you pull the cluster forward, and you've got 3 plugs behind, one for each, 1, 2, 3. So gently pull them out. One, two, three, and we're out. So let's go sit down and get these LEDs out and upgrade them. Okay, so the LEDs you're gonna wanna change is this one, which is your T5, this one, and this one. So let's quickly, it's a 8th turn, I think it is, and pull it out. Again, and one final one. Now this one for me is a hairy one because there's a weird little LED I got for that one. So as you can see, I've already got LEDs in. I'm gonna take these out and pop these in because these have more facing the front, so I figure that's gonna be great. And then it's got a whole bunch on the sides as well. So let's do that. So they're back in, and I'm just going to chuck this one back in because I actually don't have an upgraded T5, but I'm sure it'll be okay. Okay now guys, I've popped that back in, and as you can see, it's a lot brighter now. Then it's not white, but then I'm pretty sure that's the colouring of the actual dash. Now, be aware, you do have to plug your dimmer back in. If you don't plug it back in, you're going to turn it on, none of them are going to work, and you're going to think, this Adam guy, he sucks. So make sure you plug this in before you test them, and make sure you test them because LEDs have a specific polarity. If you do it the wrong way, it won't light up. So it's pretty easy. You just take them back out and then turn them around. So easy. But yeah, that is the install for you. So as I said, you do have another option of lighting your LEDs by sending it off and getting it done expensively, I could say, but it does look amazing. It's crisp white, crisp red. You can do all different colors. I can't remember the guy's name, but yeah, just search on the old Googles and you'll be able to find him. But if you're happy with this, which I am, go for this. It costs 10 bucks. So there you have it, guys. All back together, all back in one piece. Just do the video in reverse and that's where you'll be. So guys, I hope that was really helpful. I hope that some of you out there that wanted to do it and were a little bit apprehensive about doing it have now just gone, I'm sending it, I'm going to spend that 10 bucks and I'm going to do the LED upgrade. If you like what you've seen, hit like, hit subscribe, help me blow the channel up. I really appreciate all the love you guys are sending. Every new subscriber, every new comment, every new like, it really means something to me. So thank you everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.